Greetings everyone, we're still in the Christmas season. I've just got a few days off between Christmas and New Year, which is really nice, and this is a Christmas present to myself. I've got some good information with it. Supplementary tube data, which is for use with precision tube testers. So this is pretty handy, but tube tester. It's a basic one, emissions tube tester from early. This manual for it dated 62, so it's late 50s, early 60s. This is a US make, Precision Apparatus Company Inc. from Elmhurst in the USA. And it's a nice compact little tester. So it just does emissions tests, which is your basic functionality test of a valve tube, but rather than the more advanced ones which can measure gain, etc. But this measures, it's basically the current flow through it, how good the electron emissions are. So yeah, we can have a quick look if you want. These reference books is really handy to get this with it. It has a built-in valve reference, so I don't know if you can see that, probably not. I might zoom in later, but basically you line up a tube name on this cylindrical roll paper, the tube name, and it gives you the setup information for the machine for that particular tube type. And this one, under foreign tubes, gives us some of the more familiar names for tubes that we're working on. So I thought we'd have a quick look at, I've got an old Brimar EL84, and you look down your tube reference, EL84, and this is the setup for it. So A is 1, B is 7, C is 5, and D is 4. So I've got D row there, it goes to 4. That's a basic setup for it, and that powers it on. Put the tube in. There's various sockets for various tube types. You're supposed to let the tube warm up a little, and what you can do then is check for shorts, which you're supposed to do initially. So you I don't know if you can see the short light, it glimmers, so it does glimmer. 5 on the tube chart is supposed to give you an extra light in the corner there, so that's okay. Then you check the others and you should just get a flicker. The others, no shorts, and it also tells you for 1 and 2 must show a short. So 1 shows a short, 2 shows a short. So that's all as expected. So that's good. So then we can set it up, and the next thing you've got to do is set up the other. So E is 1, and at F we've got 2, 7, and 9, and then we hit the read meter button, and then it's showing 90% emissions there. So that is a very good condition old Brimar. So that's great. That's exactly what we want. So that's its basic operation, and it's very useful for just basically looking for shorts and just checking that basic emissions are good. So it's you know, a valve you can trust sticking your equipment. So yeah, it's a quick run through, but it's good to know this this old EL84 is still in very good health. Okay, there you go, guys. Just a quick run through. If you've got any comments or questions, hit them below, or I guess if this is more likely to have been seen by guys in the US. This has had a 242 110 transformer added to it, and a little bit of restoration. There's these it's a waxy cap in it. There's not much in it actually. Active components, lots of wiring and switches, contacts, big transformer, and yeah, one waxy clasp that needs to be replaced, and a rectifier valve of 5Y3, I think it is, from memory. So yeah, there's a quick run through, and yeah, the guys in the US are more likely to have seen these, but it's a typical, fairly cheap and simple emissions tester, which would have been in radio repair shops and even stores where you could go in and buy a tube or test your old ones. So yeah, but it's very useful for sorting through your basic batches of old valves. Okay, thanks guys. Yeah, comments and questions below. Cheers.